Hey, trading fam. The stock of the day is INLF is the ticker. I guess it's INLIF Limited or INLIF. I don't know. It's actually a Chinese stock. It is up 286%. It is temporarily halted. It went from a price today of 36 cents. And then at 320, it went up to 115, and now it's at 142. I got out around here at like 113. So we'll see if it goes up or down after the halt. And this is a stock I was down on for a bit. And I was able to get out of my position and sell a bunch. And here's my profit. And let's see about all the profits on this particular stock. So it should be my highest earning from today. Let's see, sort by profit loss. Let's just see. Okay, there it is. I made $87 on this trade. And there you can see I sold it on January 30th, 2026, which is today. So just for people who believe that all traders are fake and scamming and making stuff up. I mean, today is January 30th. It's my birthday. I'm going to post this 2026. I don't see how I would even have time to fabricate this data. It's just, yeah. So this is real. I really made like $80. It was a great birthday present to myself. 87. Hey, I was born in 1987 and I made $87. And you can see, I don't know what I bought it for, but I sold it. Let's see. I don't know if I can see when I bought it, but see, I had purchased it. Let's look at the stock. Okay. Max time. It's one of those that like spiked and then just trailed off, and now it's having a spike again today. It hasn't been around for that long. It's only been around for about a year. And as you can see, this week it was still around 40 cents. And then today is when it had this huge pop. There's really no rhyme or reason. I don't know why the stock went up. I don't care why the stock went up. I just know that it did go up. And I benefited from it. Oh, here's where we can tell when I bought it. Okay. So I first bought it last year, and it was trading at $19, and I bought more at $12, $7, $8, $7. It went down to 4, 3, 2, 1. And then I bought more when it was under $1 and around 115. Okay. I bought some when it was 75 cents. I just kept adding. So it looks like I purchased a lot when it was 79 cents. Then it was 59 cents. And then I started selling it today. So the reason why I profited so much is because I had 300 shares of it, over 300 shares of it. And I was able to sell it around everything above $1 up to $1.33 is the highest that I got for it. And we can watch it and just see if it's still halted. So we don't know if it's going to go up or down. I'm going to try to post this as soon as possible because some people might be interested in buying the dip when it does go down. It might shoot back up. Be careful because remember, this is kind of the baseline of where the stock was trading at. So you don't want to buy it up here and then it's going to drop all the way back down. So yeah, I needed this, man. Whew, I needed this. All right, bunny heads. Listen, just if you haven't invested yet or started trading yet, my advice to you is to open a brokerage account and start with even $1, $5, $10. Start with really small amounts, get used to it, see the way that these stocks move so you know when to sell, when to hold. The more repetitions, the better you're going to get at it, the more you sort of tap into the pace of the market. So yeah, happy birthday to me.